In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you ever wanna restore it, just hold your display, tap on Widgets at the bottom, then select All, and scroll to access Google App. Once you find it, click on it. Then swipe to the left, hit Add to Home Screen under Search Bar, and tap on Home button. If you want to move it, just hold it, drag it, and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!